Hi there. Want to take a quick minute today and go over the four options that you have with your old 401k from your previous employer. Option one, you leave it there. You're used to it. You're familiar with it. You know the investment choices. You know the website. That's the advantage. The disadvantage is you're going to have a limited amount of investment options based on what that 401k provides to you. Option number two, if you have a new 401k and the new 401k allows for it, you take the old 401k, combine it with the new. The advantage here is consolidation. You'll manage everything under one roof. The disadvantage, similar to option one, limited investment choices based on what the new 401k allows. Option number three, by far the worst option, cashing it out. You're going to owe taxes. Depending on your age, you'll have a penalty. Unless you're in dire need for money, I would not cash out the old 401k. And then option number four, rolling it over into an IRA. IRA stands for individual retirement account. Keyword being individual. You are now in charge of the money. You now decide how it gets invested. If you need some help, give me a call, send me an email. I'd love to figure out which option works best for you.